How to search for an order. There are two primary methods to search for an order in Exigo. First, you can search by order ID. If the order ID is known, searching by order ID is the fastest method for locating the details of the order. In order to start a search, navigate to Customer, Customer Search, Search. There are multiple fields from which to search from. To search for an order ID, first click on the drop-down for the In field and choose Order ID. Populate the Find field with the order ID. Click Search. Clicking on Search has two effects. The customer record will be displayed in the background, and the order invoice will be displayed in the foreground. If the order ID is not known, it is possible to first locate the customer and then the order. This search process can be done the same way as searching for the order ID, except after selecting the Search button, select the category in the drop-down that you have the information for. In this case, we'll use the first name. For certain languages, you can type the information in the appropriate column. Once the customer has been found, the following window will be displayed. To show all orders for this customer, click on Orders Invoices. From this window, click on the appropriate order ID. This will display the following window. This concludes the training module on order search.